I'd opened the viewfinder. Had like last 4 weeks we've had, oh no, actually last 2 weeks we've had like 4.5 inches of rain. Now Mile Creek's over its banks. See if I can get a better view somewhere else. Very deep. Well, I'm shaking today. That's the old school playground. Snooper. I'm just trying out my camera. It's pretty flooded. Don't look like I can get down that trail. Maybe I'll try it a little bit more. Not too muddy in here. This is the trail me and Snoopy took a few weeks ago. Come on, Snoop. The little river here is backed right up. Boy, I'm shaking. That's that little river that last time. What did it count? Really flowing today. Alright, nope. Come on, buddy. Be right back. It's about to the top of the banks. Oh, this thing zooms unbelievable. That's why the water's so muddy. It would be Snoopy's having a blast smelling everything. Peaceful. Okay, I went to Walmart today. Looking around in the closeout department. I had this tripod. So I took it up to the counter there. The electronic part. You don't believe how much this was. There's actually was two of them there, and one of them, the top part, was broke. So then I went in this box and I looked. This one was okay. Took it apart. So then I went over to the guy. I go, "How much is this? $10?" He goes, he scanned it. $7. I got this thing for $7. Couldn't pass that up. Unbelievable. I'm gonna have to try it out here soon. Focus it in here. Well, I'll just set it up and whatever, but $7, pretty good deal. Goes up to 52 inches high. I can thread the camera right on there. What a nice find. There's my kitty. As soon as I get a box out. We got Snoopy over here watching. Okay, that's it for now.